Hi, my name is Linda Crocco, and I'm one of the contributors in the Alcohol Ink Art Society. I'm going to do a quick demo today showing you how I create some of my abstract art pieces. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you. All right, let's get started. I am using the backside of Kirkland photo paper because I'm going to be using a heat gun, and this won't warp as easily as Yupo will. But you can also do this method with a regular compressor, or probably even canned air if you go really light with it, or straw, whatever it is that you want to use. So I am putting down some 91% alcohol. This is a blending solution bottle that I keep my alcohol in. And I'm using a variety of inks. I have a magenta from Pinata and a purple. And I also am going to use a Bria Reese blue, a Ranger Butterscotch, and a little bit of Ranger Stream. And then of course I have Pinata Gold, which I just love in all my abstracts. I'm getting towards the end of that bottle, so I'm very careful how I use it. So what I do is I put that onto the alcohol, tip it back and forth a few times, and then I go ahead and start. The table I'm working on is not very level, so some of it will tend to run towards that back area, but you can see I'm getting some very nice colors in this particular painting. So I'll put that aside and do another quick one for you. Since these go pretty quickly, I'm going to be using the same colors, same method. You can just have fun with it. This one will have a little bit more blue. Let's limit our colors. Let's just do blue and butterscotch and a tad of purple with our gold and see how that goes. Again, I'm going to rock it back and forth. And here we go again. That is still a little bit wet, but that's okay, it will dry. It's got some nice detail shots going on in there, I think. Some of these I actually will frame just the way that they are, and some I'll cut up to use in jewelry or cards. You can do all kinds of things with them. They make good backgrounds. If you like to doodle, it's a great way to get a nice background in for doodling. Now, because that is so quick, I am just going to go ahead and throw in just one more. I hope you don't mind. And again, it's the same exact method that I'm doing on each of these. You just put down your alcohol. You want to make sure you don't put down too much ink, because then it can just become very dark. So on this one, I've got the butterscotch, the stream, and we'll go ahead and put that blue in. I really love those colors. That's one of the Bria Reese colors. They used to be Art C, but I believe they were bought out. And they're just so very vibrant and really move very well on the paper. Ranger tends to be a bit on the thin side. So let me go ahead and do that again. And of course I didn't put in the gold in this one. I'm going to throw some in last minute. There we go. This looks got a lot more like ocean colors on this one. I hope that you have enjoyed this video and enjoy your inks. Go ahead and have fun, play with them, learn new things. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.
Come learn, create, and share with us. It's a life-changing opportunity. Excite the artist within.